Want to control which fields users must fill in your WordPress forms? With Easy Form Builder, you can easily set fields as required or optional to improve form completion and user experience. With Easy Form Builder, you can easily set fields as required or optional to improve form completion and user experience. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard and opening Easy Form Builder. Click Create to start a new form or edit an existing one. Choose the field you want to configure, such as name, email, or phone. Click the gear icon to open the Field Settings panel. Here, you will see the required toggle switch. Turn it on to make the field mandatory. Users cannot submit the form without filling it. Turn it off to make the field optional, allowing users to skip it if they want. Remember to save your changes and copy the form shortcode to add it to any page or post on your website. Always label required fields clearly with an asterisk to avoid confusion. Optional fields can increase completion rates by reducing friction. Test your form on the front end to ensure required and optional fields work as expected. Easy Form Builder makes managing required and optional fields simple without any coding knowledge. Start customizing your forms today and improve user interaction on your WordPress site.
If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.